Welcome to our mobile commerce application.
Today, I will show you how to hide products, categories, product variants for the mobile app using Odoo. Go to Settings, open Companies, and select your company. Under the app configuration, you will find three options. Products to exclude, product category to exclude, product templates to exclude, and product variants to exclude. So we have excluded multiple products. I will try excluding some product variants. Let's say I want to exclude black hooks 14 inch. I'll exclude that. Also, if I want to exclude specifically a complete product, let's say glass shelves. So I will add these products and save. Now we will go to the mobile app and see that we are able to see these categories and products in the app on it.
After refreshing the app, these products are no longer visible. So let's try searching for glass shelves. No product found. So this product is not visible. Also, I'll try searching for the black hooks. Again, no product found. So in this way, we can hide product variants, products, and product categories from the app.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.